Chesapeake, welcome to this amazing floor plan. So if you're looking for that one story with just the frog, which is absolutely amazing, but if you truly love that special floor plan, this home is for you. So get ready for this walkthrough because you don't want to miss this one. So Chesapeake, great schools, great bridge from this great bridge girl. I grew up right down the street from here, went to school right down the street from here. You're super convenient to everything. The 168 bypass is right here, so you can get to everything. If you're looking for the convenience of shopping, you have a grocery store right at your fingertips, gas, Hanbury nails, which is where I get mine done. Just say hi to Lynn for me. Nice little shout out to my girl. But you have your Harris Teeter, you have awesome restaurants, you have everything right here. I mean, Buskies, you have all of the things. So, I mean, you're just at your, just a stone's throw away from everything. All of Chesapeake's finest. So, I mean, this is the heart of Great Bridge right here. And you have this phenomenal 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath house. But not only do you have a 2-car garage here, but you're going to find with this huge extended driveway that they did, that you're also going to have this great detached garage with room above it. So you could finish this out above it, or you could just have so much extra storage here. So, like I said, one of my favorite floor plans that I've ever seen. So, all brick house, which this is the great thing about buying a resale house versus buying new construction, because as we know, it is very, very rare to find a new construction house that's brick. And if you are finding a new construction house that's brick, you are paying somewhere around 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 million at least to get that all brick home. So we are looking at 3,100 square feet, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So this home has it all. So we are in completely move-in condition, so you don't have to touch it, don't have to do a thing. We did it all for you before you even got here. So let's take a walk inside this beautiful Chesapeake home. So as you're coming in, you have your beautiful entryway, gorgeous door, beautiful tiled front entry. Everything in here has fresh paint. So in here you can do whatever you want. The prior seller actually had this as her pool table room. We turned it back into a dining room space. You can use this as an office space. You can use this as a formal living room space. A lot of people today, when you walk into homes, it's amazing because they have this as a kid's playroom. So, I mean, really, this is whatever you need these rooms to be. Because remember, with 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, you have so many rooms to choose from that you have so much space to do whatever you want to with them. So, I mean, just tons, and it's done so beautifully. When you come in here, you have this nice, beautiful cathedral ceilings and this beautiful open floor plan, gorgeous Brazilian cherry hardwood floors in here. And the previous owner, who was my client, who has been amazing, I absolutely love her. And people always want to know why people are selling. They're like, why are they selling? Where are they going? This is a time in life where she is she's moving into that stage where she is moving into retirement, and she is going to a retirement village. So that is the only reason she is selling this gorgeous home. Otherwise, when we walked in, and I always say, the things that other people loved about a house. When her and I walked into this house, not only did we love this open floor plan, and we loved the cabinets and all of the things. We did change a couple of things when we got ready to put this house on the market. Like we put in these gorgeous quartz countertops, super high end. We did refresh the paint and we refreshed the carpet. But she put in these beautiful built-ins here while she was here. And I thought this was gorgeous because these were open and there was nothing here. She made this absolutely stunning. And I love the way that they did this beautiful woodwork here. It was absolutely gorgeous. And I love the fireplace here. I mean, this is things that she did that was absolutely, well, the fireplace was here. I mean, and everybody needs a gas log fireplace. I walk into my house starting in the very early fall, and I turn this thing on. My dogs run up in front of it, fight each other for the pillow. Now I have 2 and I have 3 dogs, but they fight each other to get to see who can get closest to the fireplace. And I don't turn it off until late spring probably. But everybody's gonna gather here. You have I mean, everything here is beautiful. All of the light fixtures are beautiful. So this is one of those houses that you don't have to touch. You have to do nothing to, because anything that was necessary to touch, we did. Her favorite thing about this house was this 4-season sunroom that we'll go to in just a minute. I love, love, love things about this house, like the fact that your primary is all the way over here and all of your guest suites are here. Now you are going to have the frog that is on that side too, but it's on the very other end of the primary. So the layout of this house is beyond perfection. This layout to me is the absolute best layout of probably any house that I have ever seen. If you're looking for a ranch. I mean, 3,100 square feet of just the best thought out layout. It makes just so much sense. So we'll come back and spend a little bit more time in here and a little bit more time in the kitchen in a second. So you can go this way first, and you have this room that's all private by itself. You have a full bath over here. So this bedroom could have its own bath over here. So if you wanted to come and put somebody back here that was completely private, they're going to have their bedroom. They're going to have their nice closet area back here. Or if you wanted to have a quiet office space, this would be a great quiet office space for that too, because this is going to be away from everybody else. I also love how this has its private door out here. You'll notice how, and I'm coming out here, I know, before anywhere else, but you'll notice how this has several different ways that you can get out to this 4-season room, because you can get out from the living area, you can get out from here, and then you can get out from the primary suite. So it's just absolutely great to get out to that beautiful backyard. So we'll come back through into the living area, and we're going to go next into those other guest suites. And this is another extremely well thought out area, because these two are nice big bedrooms, but they have a Jack and Jill. So I thought this was absolutely wonderful. So you have your closet areas here, and then you have your nice Jack and Jill here. So these would share the bathroom here. Nice, beautiful, huge bathroom here. And then another bedroom here. Same idea here. Another closet area here. And then you have the hallway back here. So they're nice and private over here as well. So the whole idea of this house is all of your bedrooms are super private and closed off, because that is way back there in that corner. These you have to go through a hallway to get to. Then when you're coming here, you have your nice eating kitchen here. So that's why if you didn't want to make that into a dining room, but you wanted to make that into something else, you have this nice size eating kitchen here, which you could actually even do a long table here. you didn't even have to do the circular table. She actually had a very large circular table here, because you also have this nice bar here, which is awesome. You see the nice quartz that I've put in here. So this quartz is gorgeous, the nice inlay sink here. We have brand new appliances. So all of these appliances are brand new. Gorgeous backsplash that was done here. I mean, that is absolutely stunning, stunning backsplash. So this is for a wine fridge. So you got to bring your own wine fridge. So we didn't put one of those in, but wine fridge here. These cabinets are custom cabinets, and absolutely gorgeous custom cabinets. So now, before we go over to the primary, here you will see we have a nice laundry area. So this laundry room is great. So it's got a huge laundry room. So I love having that mud room right off of the garage. So you have the garage here. So you have your nice big 2-car garage here. You have 2 panels. You can see you have tons of room here to add to your panels. And your water heater is out here in your garage, so you have no worries there, because it's not up in your attic. And then you have your room over the garage, which is spectacular as well. And then more storage space here too. So this is your attic space. So you have a nice size walk-in attic to put all your Christmas stuff in. Nice, great ductwork. And then here you have, this would be your 5th bedroom. And then here you have your nice closet here. And then you have more storage here. So these are the entire length of here of storage space, which is great. So then, beautiful appliances. Here is our huge pantry. So if you want to take and do nice shelving and stuff like that, you can. I hate wire shelving. So one thing I always love is most of these homes would not have a half bath. Very good builder who thought to put a half bath in. So these bedrooms are not having to share, and you have a half bath here. So guests have that half bath instead of ever having to use the bathroom of maybe the children, or maybe if you have a family member coming here, any of that. This is the primary, which is gorgeous. So this primary has the nice, beautiful cathedral ceilings here. It's absolutely stunning here. So you have tons of room for all of your furniture because it's huge, absolutely huge room. Gorgeous closet here. So like you guys know what I'm gonna say, right? Closet factory this out. So I got a girl. So you're gonna come in, you're gonna closet factory this out, make this the most usable closet, because right now, not so functional in my opinion. All we can do is hang up clothes. Where are we putting our shoes? I don't know. But Closet Factory is going to solve all of those issues. So, wait till you see this bathroom. So, this bathroom is gorgeous. Simply amazing. So, you have a absolutely beautiful, beautiful bathroom here. So, this bathroom has double vanity sinks. So you don't have to fight. Everybody keep theirs on their own side. Don't be mismatching, mixing up and all that kind of stuff. You have tons of drawers and cabinets here for all of your stuff. You have the nice, huge area here for all of your linens. You have a nice size shower here. The only thing, if you ever want to do, you can take this out and tile it in. You had plenty of room here to actually bump this out. You have your toilet area here. I mean, I think we missed out on enclosing this because we could have, because there's a fan in here and room for a door. Come on, can we not private pooper it? Could have private poopered this. But this is beautiful. So I love a bath. When you work 70 plus hours a week, you need a bath because it relaxes you. That would be me. I guess if you're just loafing around doing nothing, maybe you don't need a bath. But for the rest of us, it's wonderful. So, great, great, great time. Love a bath. Okay, so let's step outside and see this beautiful backyard. So, this backyard is great. Not too much to maintain, but nice and private. So, we have a nice backyard. You could drop a pool in here if you wanted to. So when we're coming back here, we have a gorgeous backyard. This is the detached garage here. So we did have a huge storm last night, and I will tell you, it is actually very dry back here. So for those of you who are wondering how it drains good. Here, and this is for those people who love to do whatever. You do have a garage door opener on this, so you do have this wonderful space upstairs. So for any, hey, you got a pencil sharpener. So if you're looking and you need to sharpen your pencil, we actually joked on this when we purchased the house too, by the way. So I guess we just didn't get rid of it, but why get rid of it? We might need to sharpen your pencil. So this is absolutely wonderful up here. So you have this great room up here. We didn't flip on the light, but that's okay. There's another light switch somewhere. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. So you have this space. You can't be much taller than me. Right? 6 foot? 6 foot. Okay. You have this space up here. I would say to store all your stuff. There's no electric ran upstairs, so you're probably not going to come build this out unless you run electric up here. But this is probably just that spot to store stuff. I mean, let's just bet you're not going to build this out, I don't guess. But this house is absolutely beautiful, and it is ready and waiting for that next person. Because, you know, this is just, like I said, for me, it's that dream layout. And bonuses for this, in my opinion. So come on, get ready, come see us, and don't forget to subscribe, like me, ask me questions, let me know what you love, let me know what you're looking for, and what you want to see next from me.